Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulad ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we hear in our gospel reading today a scribe who approached Jesus and asked him, which is the first of all commandments? This is a very valid question for them scribes. Why? Because for the Jews, the Pentateuch, or the first 5 books of the Hebrew Bible, are very important, not only because they contain the commandments given by God to Moses. That's why they are collectively called Torah or the law, but because Moses also added detailed prescriptions. And so all in all, uh, Jews know about 613 commandments and precepts. Kaya po sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, sa napakaraming commandments and precepts na ito, na kailangan nilang sundin sa buhay, because obedience to the law for them is obedience to God, is fidelity to God. And so this scribe was so curious, and so he approached Jesus and asked him, ano bang pinakamahalagang commandments sa napakaraming commandments na to at precepts na kailangan niyang i-prioritize? And so Jesus responded out of charity to this scribe. And Jesus did not only give him one commandment, but the Lord gave him two. And he said, first is this: love the Lord our God is Lord alone. And it is about loving God with all our heart, with all our mind, with all our soul, and with all our strength. And then he added, the second is this: you shall love your neighbor as yourself. And so the Lord tells us that these two commandments come together. Ito po yung nais na iparating ng Diyos, na hindi pwedeng mawala yung isa. But here the Lord is emphasizing the first is the love of God with everything that we have, because our love of God is the source of how we love our neighbor. So our love of neighbor is the concretization of our love of God. Kaya po napakahalaga na yung pagmamahal natin sa kapwa ay umuugat yan sa pagmamahal natin sa Diyos. At yung pagmamahal natin sa Diyos ay nagmumula yan sa ating karanasan ng pagmamahal niya sa atin. That He loves us so much, and so loving Him is our way of reciprocating the love of God. And so we do not only love Him as a way of reciprocating His love, but that love is also channeled to our brothers and sisters, to our neighbors. Yan po ang klase ng pagmamahal na nais ng Diyos na ating isabuhay. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share, at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.